Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can create an AI influencer in Higgsfield. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very simple. First off, you need to go to Higgsfield AI on your web browser. And then what you need to do is just go to AI influencer. And right over here, as you can see, you can create any type of influencer. You can choose character types, first of all. There are many to choose. Let's say I'm gonna go with human. And then you can also choose the gender, so I'm just gonna go with female. And then you can also choose their ethnicity, so I'm just gonna go with European. And then the skin color, you can give it any kind of skin color you would like to, so I'm just gonna give it this skin color. And then you can also choose the eyes, so I'm just gonna go with the amber. And then also you can give them some skin conditions, whatever you would like to give. So I like to put some freckles. And then you can also do the advanced settings if you'd like to. You can choose face, body, and style. And then you can the eyes tab, it should be human. And then again, eyes details, you can just put it whatever you'd like to. And then also you can do this, so I'm just gonna go with small mouth. And then human, and then you just gotta fill in your detail as you know. And then obviously human skin, because we were making a human. Then solid. And once you do that, you can also put in your prompt. So I'm just gonna do it 30 woman or something like that, and then generate influencer. So obviously you need credit for it. So I'm out of credit. You can buy the ultimate or pro or even the basic to make AI influencer, but once you do that, you can directly create your AI influencer. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you. I'll see you in the next one.